Hi, I'm Roman, and today I want to take you on a journey to show you one of my latest projects, a framed diorama with some fantasy dwarfs. These dwarfs are from Spira Mirabilis and were sold in a limited box set of a wood dwarf army. And I was able to get one and decided to do several small projects with these. This is the first one, a framed diorama that I called the Fjord's Watchman. It is heavily inspired by the artwork of Paul Bonner, linked below, and also by the great nature that I usually see in my vacations in Scandinavia, Sweden, Norway, those stones, rocks, those forests. This is basically what inspired me to it. And of course, these great sculpts by Lucas Pina from Spira Mirabilis. This video is basically not a step-by-step where I explain a lot. It basically shows you my initial starting point, how I painted it, because I did this in a private coaching session when I was teaching this topic to one of my students, and I was filming a little bit how I started painting this diorama with a lot of bravery and how I managed to go to a certain point to capture my inspiration, so to speak, of colors and choices and such. And I will just show you this. If you're interested in the build and some of the creations, you can find an article over on my Patreon, link down below. And there's no ebook basically for this, as I wasn't able to create as much footage as I wanted to for a very long exclusive ebook. But the article on Patreon is quite intense on the thoughts that were written down and the decisions I've made. So check out this if you're interested in. You can get access to the article as a supporter and upwards. And I hope you enjoy these insights. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoy this process over here. I hope you enjoy my videos. Thank you very much for your support in watching, pressing thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. With your support, I'm able to continue what I do. If you enjoy my videos, feel invited to support me via my Patreon, where you can find additional tutorials, workflow, creative challenges, my artist diary, and tons of inspiration. Feel invited to support me as a channel member here on YouTube for €1.99 per month, or go full in and check back with my Patreon. All links below. Thank you very much for your support. Hey, and welcome back. Unfortunately, this is all the footage I was able to film, and it gives you a good insight on how I start such a project. Unfortunately, it doesn't go much deeper. The article on Patreon does a little trick to it. It shows you a little bit about the build, but goes a little bit more into the process on painting with photos, but not on video, unfortunately. Still, thank you very much for enjoying the video and my approach. Thank you for enjoying what I do. Keep on happy painting. Roman out. Bye bye.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make